Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great Monday. This is going to be a slightly different video. Instead of asking questions, I'm going to actually just read our psalm for the week, which is Psalm 5. And then again, on the Facebook page, just go ahead and just write your discoveries, questions, and needs that arise as you read through this psalm and dwell on it. And let us know how we can be praying for you. But here is Psalm 5. To the choir master for the flutes, a psalm of David. Give ear to my words, O Lord. Consider my groaning. Give attention to the sound of my cry, my King and my God, for to you do I pray. O Lord, in the morning you hear my voice. In the morning I prepare a sacrifice for you, and watch. For you are not a God who delights in wickedness. Evil may not dwell with you. The boastful shall not stand before your eyes. You hate all evildoers. You destroy those who speak lies. The Lord abhors the bloodthirsty and deceitful men. But I, through the abundance of your steadfast love, will enter your house. I will bow down toward your holy temple in the fear of you. Lead me, O Lord, in your righteousness, because of my enemies. Make your way straight before me. For there is no truth in their mouth. Their inmost self is destruction. Their throat is an open grave. They flatter with their tongue. Make them bear their guilt, O God. Let them fall by their own counsels. Because of the abundance of their transgressions, cast them out, for they have rebelled against you. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them ever sing for joy, and spread your protection over them, that those who love your name may exult in you. For you bless the righteous, O Lord. You cover him with favor as with a shield. That's Psalm 5. I encourage you to at least post one reaction to this psalm. Any part of it. Whether it's a question or if there's confusion or if it just made something well up inside of you. One reaction at least. If you hear this video, just write something in response to Psalm 5. Take care, guys. Hope you have a great week. Know that I'm praying for you, and I'm looking forward to hearing how you're doing. Take care. God bless.